The HVAC system that serves your commercial property has a bigger impact on your day-to-day business than you might think. For example, an inefficient system is going to lead to high energy use, which in turn could cause your energy bills to skyrocket, and that's something that will negatively affect your company's bottom line. And consider the actual function of the HVAC system. If it doesn't properly cool or heat your place of business, you could be creating discomfort for both your employees and your customers. Uncomfortable workers are less productive, and uncomfortable customers are likely to leave. Our skilled technicians have advanced expertise in the integration and service of complex multi-zone HVAC systems for commercial buildings, including educational facilities, commercial offices, and industrial sites.